We're here today with Foster Estate Planning. My name is Michael Foster, and I'm going to go through some of my credentials in the website. These are available in the section labeled About Us. And I was licensed to practice law in 1975, so I've been at it about 35 years. 100% of my focus has been on estate planning. I'm currently acting as a estate planning consultant. I got my Bachelor of Arts degree from St. John's University in Minnesota, my Juris Doctorate in 1974. I'm actually licensed in Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, Nebraska. At various times those are active or inactive, so you might want to check with our website on those. I am a consultant in lots of other places because I work with local attorneys to help them in different estate planning concepts, especially on larger and more complicated cases, because I try to provide videos, I try to provide direct one-on-one consultation and advice and recommendations supported with calculations and number crunches on estate costs and estate taxes regarding federal estate taxes, death costs, probate expense, disability, and how to deal with long-term care for elder health care. We deal in a number of those different areas, and so I'm on a consulting basis, and I love to work with different attorneys and local attorneys, financial planners and accountants in local areas. I'm in Who's Who for American Law. I'm also a Chartered Life Underwriter. I'm a Fellow of the Life Management Institute. I'm a Chartered Financial Consultant. I'm a member of the Life and Health Claims Association, and I was a revision author for the book Estate Planning. It's a textbook in the 80s, 1986 and 1989, initially published by Arnold Newkirk, which became Longman Publishing, which became Dearborn Financial. Other qualifications: I have completed the Certified Financial Planning course. I don't keep that up. I've been a registered rep and a registered principal, and I don't keep that up because I don't sell a lot of products. I have affiliations. I've been members of the Chicago Estate Planning Council, the Indianapolis Life Underwriters Association, American Bar Association, the State Bar Associations for Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, Nebraska. There may be others. Again, you might want to check our website, and I'm in the National Registry for Who's Who. So basically, we provide estate planning consultation and assistance for individuals needing that, and we will both do calculations for general estate plans, for figuring out liquidity needs in a particular estate, for computing ways to make long-term care available to the elderly, and there's a number of different ways to do that. And in order for us to really be effective, we need to have the data taker that's available at the website. You would need to click that. It'll download basically a template. That's an Excel spreadsheet template. It's ideal if you would fill it out in Excel and send it back to us by email. We can load it and send you back an estate plan complete with a number of different charts and graphs and calculations. Some people may be skittish about providing all the information initially as far as names or social security numbers or that sort of thing. We will also provide sample draft documents that we'll go through with attorneys and other financial planners to work and assist in implementing for clients. And of course, we need that kind of information for those kinds of documents. That's why it's in there. But if you want to take a look and don't want that in there, we'll be more than happy if you want to leave those blank or fill them in with something. Whatever your imagination comes up with, we can still do calculation on the asset inventory, on the numbers and the values of the assets, but that portion probably ought to be correct. And we're available to assist you on the phone as well as through email, though it's easiest to communicate with people through the website.